What if you could take the entire creative brain of the world's most successful YouTuber and turn it into a private AI assistant that works for you? I'm talking about every retention trick, every storytelling beat, and every hook formula MrBeast has ever used, all organized in one searchable brain. Most people spend years trying to study Jimmy. Today, I'm going to show you how to clone his entire channel in 60 seconds using Google Notebook LM. It's free, it's legal, and it's basically like having his $100 million production team in your pocket. Let's go. Now, Jimmy has nearly 1,000 videos. If you copy paste these links one by one, you'll be doing research until 2030. Don't do that. Instead, we use a God mode extension called Grab It. After installing it, click on the extension icon, then click on More Settings. Scroll down and click Add New Action. Now set it up. Select a mouse button of your choice. Assign a shortcut key of your choice. In the Action Type menu, choose Copy URLs to Clipboard. Then click Save. This shortcut will copy all visible video links from a channel. Go to MrBeast Videos tab, scroll down to load everything, and hit your shortcut. Boom! Every single video URL is now on my clipboard. Now we go to Notebook LM and open a new notebook called the Beast Brain. Instead of pasting manually, we use the Notebook LM web importer extension. Select bulk import and paste that massive list of links. Watch the screen. Notebook LM is now reading thousands of hours of MrBeast's transcript. It's indexing every high-stakes challenge and every emotional payoff he's ever filmed. Now we have his entire history as a data set. We aren't just chatting with AI. We are querying a masterpiece. Try this prompt. Analyze MrBeast's last 50 videos. What is the retention lock formula he uses between the 2-minute and 5-minute mark? Give me 5 video ideas for a budget of $500 that use the same psychology. Look at this. It didn't give me generic ideas. It literally identified his escalation principle, where the stakes get harder every 60 seconds. And look at these ideas. It is simple. It's high stakes and it fits the brand perfectly. This is how you gain an unfair advantage in the algorithm. But the real wow is the audio overview. Click the pencil icon to customize it. Listen to this.
Welcome to The Debate. Today we are analyzing a really fascinating set of extreme manufactured scenarios.
Look at the 60-second rapid-fire elimination games in the cubes. Physical endurance didn't matter one bit in that scenario.
The AI hosts aren't just talking. They're referencing his actual scripts. They're talking about the emotional catharsis of the winner's reaction. You can even generate a mind map of his channel to see how he connects spectacle to relatability. It's like a visual blueprint of a 460 million subscriber empire. This isn't about copying MrBeast. It's about reverse engineering excellence. You can do this with any niche, cooking, tech, fitness, to see what the best in the world are doing right now. I've put the links to the extensions and my master prompt in description tab if you want to see how I link this to Perplexity to find his secret sponsors. Watch this video next. Go build something massive. I will see you in next one.